Reading Pioneers is proud to present Hooray! I Can Do It! By Aleks Harrison, illustrated by Ferlina Gunawan. Today is certain to be an amazing day. I'm going to my first swimming lesson. Hooray! It has always been my dream to swim on my own. My dad told me swimming well is a big milestone. We arrive at the pool, where I meet my coach, Tim. He shows me the right moves to help me learn how to swim. I do what he tells me, but I can't get it right. I felt good when I started, but I'm losing my might. I get out of the pool, cross my arms over my chest. I clench my teeth too, because I'm feeling so stressed. I'm disappointed with myself. I'm feeling so low. Will I ever learn to swim? Right now, I don't know. Later, in the evening, I tell my mom and dad all about my lesson and the trouble I had. I can't hold back the tears when I tell them, I quit! My dream was to swim, but I couldn't do it. My dad hugs me and says,
I know you feel sad. Things didn't work out like the dream that you had. When I was your age, I felt almost the same. I faced a big challenge that I soon overcame.
On my 6th birthday, I got a bike for a present. I fell off many times. It was very unpleasant. After my failed attempts, I finally learned to ride. I hope you won't give up, but that's for you to decide. I go back to my lessons and keep working on my dream. Coach Tim believes in me, which boosts my self-esteem. My family comes to watch me, to see how I've progressed. I've been working very hard, and I hope they're impressed. I'm at the edge of the pool. All eyes are on me. I kick off without floaties. I'm feeling carefree. I've been practicing for weeks and know what to do. I can swim on my own now. My dream has come true. My proud parents rush over to congratulate me. My dad says, hard work pays off. Wouldn't you agree? Yes, Dad, it does. And thank you. I learned that from you. Your story about the bike helped me to push through. My mom hugs me and says, Max, you learned something new. Next time you face a challenge, you'll know what to do. Try again and again. Don't give up right away. If you work hard toward your goal, you will succeed one day. The end. Thank you, Pioneers, for reading along with us today to the story, Hooray! I Can Do It! By Aleks Harrison. With Aleks' permission, I was able to read this story for you, and chose it to be the final video of the year, because the message it sends to all readers is very important. 2020 has been a tough year, but we should try to keep a positive attitude and not give up on our dreams, no matter what obstacles are in front of us. If you enjoyed the book, I'd like it if you click the thumbs up button to support the channel and then click the link in the description box and purchase your own version of Hooray, I Can Do It by Aleks Harrison. You can also check out his social media with the Facebook and Goodreads links as well. It would also be awesome to subscribe and click the notification bell to stay updated with future uploads by Reading Pioneers. You can even share this video with friends and family, so they too can experience this fun story with Max. While waiting for the next upload, you can check out the playlist on the left of other videos by rising authors just like Aleks Harrison, and over here on the right is my very own short story called Sharkfin Boy. This is it for today's video, so thanks again everyone for reading along with us, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day, and Happy New Year. Bye-bye.